Hello all. Now we are moving with another problem, that is designing a simple calculator with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are works with two operands only. So read two operands from the user and take arithmetic operator from the user which tells what operation is going to be performed. Let us write an algorithm. Declare three variables A, B, C. These three variables are declared as integers. So now declare one variable, let's say S. This is of a character type. Read A comma B. So these two variables are used for calculation. And read one more variable which is S, which takes input an arithmetic operator. After that, first check the condition whether the S having any particular symbol, like let's say plus. If the user entered plus, then it computes addition of two numbers and prints the corresponding result. Otherwise, it enters into another condition, then it checks whether the operator is same or not. So, if S is equals to the symbol plus, first time we need to check with this symbol. If the user entered S is equals to plus, then compute C equals to A plus B. Then print C. Else, again check one more condition, like if S is equals to minus, means next arithmetic operator, then compute subtraction of two operands. Then print the corresponding result which is stored at C. Otherwise, we need to check one more condition which is equals to multiplication. If this is true, then compute multiplication of those two operands. Then print the corresponding result. See here, the conditions checked for the division and modulus operations also. Now we will design a flowchart for this problem by using this algorithm. First declare the variables by clicking this flow. Here we need to declare three variables A, B, C. So these three variables of type integer. So after that declare a variable for character. So declare variable as S. This is used for to entering symbol. This is of the type string. Now we need to take input for the AB. So select input symbol and give the variable name like A. Need to take another input for the computation, that is B. And then we need to take one more input for which symbol we want to enter to operation, that is yes. Now we need to check the arithmetic operators with enter symbol. For that purpose, use decision symbol here. So enter the condition like the S is equals to plus, the entered symbol is equals to plus, then compute the sum of those two numbers. C equals to A plus B. Then print the C value here. Addition is, so here we can use to print a variable with the help of address of operator. So then the entered symbol is doesn't match with the plus, then we can go for false side, and here we need to check one more symbol, that is next arithmetic operation, minus. If the entered symbol is matched with minus, then compute subtraction of those two numbers. Then print the result. If the entered symbol does not match with the minus, then we need to check one more condition for multiplication. If it is true, then compute multiplication of those two numbers. Print the result. Otherwise, we need to check another arithmetic operation, that is division. Then compute division operation here. Then print output. Otherwise, we need to check one more arithmetic operation, that is modulus. Then compute modulus operation. Then print the result. Now all the arithmetic operations are completed. Now you can able to see the entire flowchart. First read three integers as ABC and then read a string to enter the arithmetic operators like either plus or minus or multiplication or division or modulus symbol. So depends on the user requirement, any one of the operation to be done. So if the user entered plus, then it computes addition operator. If the user entered minus, then it computes subtraction operation. If the user entered multiplication symbol, then it computes the multiplication operation. If the user entered division operator, then it computes the division operation. If the user entered modulus operator, then it computes modulus operation. Now we have to check this flowchart whether this flowchart is working properly or not to test with test cases. So run this flowchart step by step. Now it prompts for the input A. So enter the value for A. Press enter. Now it prompts for the value B. So enter value for B. Enter. Now it prompts for the input S. This S is of type string. So enter here the arithmetic operator plus. So now it checks for the condition here whether the entered symbol is equals to plus or not. So if it is okay, then it moves to the true flow, then computes addition of those two numbers and display the result as addition is 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Now let's move with the another run. See here, prompt for the input. It prompts for the another number's input. Then enter. Now I want to compute for multiplication of these two numbers. So I entered symbol as multiplication. Then it first checks for the first condition. If entered symbol is matched with plus, it goes for the true. Otherwise, it moves false side. See, this is not matched with plus, so it moves to the false side. Again here minus symbol is there. So again it is also false. So it comes here, and then now the entered symbol is matched with multiplication symbol. So it computes the multiplication of those two numbers and produce the result of multiplication. So multiplication is 20. 5 into 4, 20. So like this way, you need to check remaining all conditions for the calculator. Thank you.